Nanka ye nyina ye bon pese 2026 ni de nke be ya afepa ama ye nua amomabru na omukọ university no ene ye nua amomawie school etifie epe adwuma as akyerɛkyerɛfo no but abusia this government no permit sa there be scamming Ghana for no big time government that promises no fees stress policy no abusia ya to tertiary school fees mo by 25%. Memo nchiribu na face no omomawie school tife mu pa adwuma ye no education minister abeka nsem bi asoro se be for teachers for no teachers for no esmamo nchirimu ai Penyah block me da meswa say ni dem oba like video no da ma put subscribers and some click notification icon of latest update na be kire wa adwan da ma me e wo comment section so oba so a no share for anya bi ahwe oni mo say NDC government o ma no de pa promise there yem promise man into Ghana for tirimu there o mo ya there pa eti no in opposition omo ka say omo ba omo de bibia friend no fees stress policy ebeba to the point say omo got tertiary schools no you know omo eba bo no mo high wo mo what say eti mu school fees na mutua na aban ebetua amamo na omo high wo mo ema somewhere July August mu no ho ne hunu say July August September mu hunu say government start 8 when sin people come in say start airport team say omo school fees mutua ye no government no atua ne back ama wo mo ema that time there na kwen ne aba mpa be de enye easy Mahama NDC I don't remember quick Mahama dog quick and you will like that town no omo Mahama honyo di asa enye easy just say that almost celebrate Mahama ankasa na nke nim say ebeto aso but abusia ye twa 31st night we ya adechi enra echi no 1st January and Okoba yes say meeting through the corridors of gossip I said there's going to be school fees increment for the tertiary student. I was like, how? Wait a minute, how? Because this government promised Ghanaians no school fees. Etiba say na face school fees cry yes but na say abusia na madam ga say bia enya nokure nam ga say bia enya nokure and say me who say join is for aye post na say it is coming from University of Ghana Legon UG. According to them, almost school fees cost by 25%. Not just at the end of the day, no government not scamming Ghana fund, the biggest scam ever. Scamming tertiary students, promising them something that you can't deliver, you can't offer, but he still promised them. And on the media, as TikTokers, no, I'll back last week, John Mahama.
Real quick. So, according to the report, it says the University of Ghana have relatively increased their school fees by 25%. So we're here in Ghana when this new administration, so-called NDC government, said they'll give first year free school fees, like free tuition, in such a way that whether we free you for then oba obeko school free intino say nipa na eko first year level 100 free was increasing school fees by 25%, which means level 200 no oma enisika ebeto aso no. How would they continue? You see, sometimes we shouldn't play party politics and rush and do some initiative because I feel like ending to 1% almost just every before you buy go to my free SHS into no person obo prayer say obo bit my free investing account e be cost to obo it brings it takes a bold man to implement bold policy like the excellent Narado Danko Kufado implemented free SHS a bold step to me e be cost to
Abusia, this useless NDC government, Kiona Tabain, Abu Treka Bain, Ebono Abain, almost come tertiary students, Abu Ghana, and I said, as if and see, almost all the public tertiary institutions across Ghana, almost increase your school fees astronomically. Now, Oshele go now, almost increase your school fees by 25%, who be 25%, that is staggering. Obi almost $1 above from. Eba ne say na mu increase school fees. Obi a Moses Sami Jenfi ni gold board. Sika wodi every amono ne aba Ghana chese. Enya asem ketwa. Nti aba no hia school fees into mu dia ye den. Obi a mo ye campaign 2024. Na mo say mo de mo ba dia school fees tua ebe stress free. Nti mo kra mo be tua eye student school fees amom. Eba ne say na mo to school fees bu. Na you see this NDC government just a fracadam. Scamming pa say yes scamming crofo. Say yen fa ya non fifa crofo ho ne yen scamming oh. We NDC aban everywhere wunye obia. Na you see ni nti a wo matu eye school fees mu a ebe bu a wo fuo ko mu ni nya abotre ne tie ne yi. NDC party we a omo wa aban mu. So omo de omo nsa banku mu ma wade ba ako a. No omo de omo nsa nifa e chi ade be 20 billion afri mu nsam. Mo be kai last year omo implement say policy bi omo say friend no fee stress. Enti wo a wo wura tertiary institution foforo. Ye betua wo school fees ni bi ama. Meanwhile in 2024 omo promise yes omo betua wo sika nyina wo school fees nyina for first year nyina ama wo. But the we ase no omo reimburse students no just 20% of omo school fees now tie ni ye say sika na omo tua ma ama na mani age ukotua wo school fees na ya science na 20% ma wa na wani age aha eno na omo ba beje ne back no eno na omo atum 25% nti last year omo tua 20% ma wa back this year omo increasing by 25% omo di omo sika back na you see omo ba be wura mu foforo no omo kra na omo asem emobo o hwe public universities na KNUST Legon UCC deliberately aban no asheda afa students ni nyina under fee paying ya anya omo regular students na ye ka so obi ye fee paying student as kire ne say wo school fees na wotua no e wo soro pansin ne o regular student ni otua nti regular students tua be e bia 4,000 Ghana cedis a wo a we under fee paying no wotua be 7,000 8,000 Ghana cedis na ne nti omo yes ane say because so my promise say and no stress fee policy omo be ma o sika ni bi omo be tua o school fees ni bi no almost said that they want to fee paying so that the amount of money that you will pay will make up for sa sikana almost so the bema ono. In ordinarily we student we a regular student so we be 4,000 but because say we a fee paying we 8,000 Ghana cedis. 8,000 Ghana cedis no much as say how much that and reimburse 20% of it. And the actual money nankasa no mu here free which is 4,000. What tria mana broso? What tria mana broso nti frakadam chere say krono and dada scamming pana NDC aban scamming tertiary students are omo Ghana na wo for omo mani nda hodom. Ube won say omo den collect to fee paying mutual school fees akese. Mutual school fees in area later part in the year no ma sheda reimburse 20% of sika na mutual na mani age mo se aban na ye bibi da bi aban na nya hwe mu musika mutua ma na broso ana wayi wapone ho kakra bi ana wode ma na hisi ye wo mamu ana musi se de sika aba o man ni mu sika sami jamfidi aba dollar wo form fuel prices ko form eba ne sen ana bibia bo okosoro including school fees sale
Mahama NDC pa Ghana school for now for some when who neko when who neko when Mahama NDC NDC for say Mahama is the savior of the youth. Mahama is the youth savior and I say and then school for monko shamo portal so monko shamo portal so stress now arriving with interest. Stress no arriving with interest. Arriving with interest. Now no stress fee could also the banner. Arriving with interest. And then be a NDC for John Mahama any NDC. Assembly. Send the show say Jina say now oba and this Nika say Jina now oba. Ube Jina Oma the vetchem. This Tembiana Yakashem Ghana. Stress now was whatever no. Arriving with interest. Into Munkona Mungotia. And a pay Ghana school for no alphabet, sorry. Universities increase fees 25%. Universities increase fees 25%. Honorable Arena Bruce Wayne. I say this for the one for the be on ban fan chair kwa. And our opposition I as na waka, what power as na way. And any say I can ne binum aba comment section na oba be yawe. Ye pegana ye. Inti ebeko so aye. Cause won't mean can change what the idea abrain free. And okra no encover sky betu nyina ase student a make university and sky metu nyina no that non free stress or what or encover nyina encover will still fee encover SRC and other deals are made to ya. And so what's on our policy? What's on our policy? What's on our policy? I say, I think one of the fees was still fee or something, or one of the fees are one year for free bets here. A fee almost them 255 cities to 767 cities. NDC are buying their brain. NDC are buying their brain. And you better so I engage myself citizens. You better so I engage myself citizens.
Awusia 2025 and you better catch them say colleges of education school fees are a buy no. So wo hwe no what tie fi ngo bu nkonta abana tum be 40%, abana tum 40%. Ema ye be ye hu video e wo ye page ni so wo pesa video ni bi ahwa wo ko bi page ni ma wo bo hu sa video no e wo ho no na sa 40% no. So wo hwe ya yeah, the evidences any provisional fees are schools need be at the buy so eto so ma wo hwe last year 2020 last 2 years 2024 level 200 and level 300 school will share fees kese kra na 3,000 Ghana cedis level 200 and level 300 our colleges of education school will share fees kese 3,000 Ghana cedis level 400 for na omu be wie no you chia kese Andrew 1000 bitia 810 bitia 850 900 Ghana cedis and omu de twere omu exams no omu wie ko ye 2025 for no level 200 level 300 omu ebitia 5,700 ebitia 4,900 ebitia 4,500 as their school fees. That is the 40% increment abino editum na 2026 fast forward yeah that's already abino actual university fees 25% UG University of Ghana Legon ya tumu 25% as 25% no se wo ya nkonta na wo titifiri na kekaboma ento asumu efise omaya inflation $0 $1 cedi na bibia wo forma omani mu ayeye wa bra before say aban we beba no the then opposition your friend say members to say ato force and beka tere Ghana for General Parliament say NPP is mismanaging the resources of this country. When the resources of this country are being managed well, there's no need to increase fees. There's no need to increase taxes. There's no need to introduce new taxes. Fast forward, they have increased taxes more than any government in the history of Ghana. Ghana so to school fees more than any government in the history of Ghana. Because how can you increase school fees 40%, 25% just like that? Na ni nyina ko for buy ne say omo de ahoma hye omo kon anu omo ase afede omo mu biem to omo pese omo firi owo nim e de ahoma nom de hye omo kon a ye wo hadu se omo so makofo ade bia be fe no stress free school fees paying. That means say first years for go university no abano ebe mo omo sika e mo de atu omo school fees of which up to now enya nkwa ni nyina akwa no mo saka omo sika and it was a certain percentage and ye de ma omo enya sika ni nyina na se de be ya abani benya sika ne back obesa agi sika na firi omo ho no mo back ni ntino eno na wasa to school fees 25% and is how young content film ke kamboma say wo level 100 na say to school fees 25% this year na say ya na sa throughout the 4 years how we go university na we are obesa tua sika na de ma ho no obetua atua another 1,000 Ghana cedis esa de aka ho ubetua interest 1000 Ghana cedis esa de aka ho by calculation enti ye dinga ka chan say government wo ye kill net government wo ye nam 2 wo ye scammer and was scamming Ghana for because already no we catch say gold board sika dia bre Ghana nyasem ketewa gold board na ma cedi stabilize gold board na ma cedi enya hoode wo dollar na so in a certain video Mahama na say be say enye gold board na mo Bank of Ghana but they have withdrawn. In another video Bank of Ghana say omo na pump sika gum like just ensam no omo hu botokro omo fa kora nshem tua we na yesra mo say akwanya ne ba se ye kwa koto aba aya mumie nyi otan anibre ahoye a watimi wakame we nya sika wa ama mi bi ene tribalism free na ye hwe de oman ode oya political party o chekere oman from krenkren to krankran anya hwe kura no me say da bia mekoso aka say Ghana ha oman ni gina bre gina ane ahoto ne nye marketing kiti bia enipa enjoy aya because of the policies and systems of the MPP. Because these policies and systems of the MPP can be found around the length and breadth of this country. Tokro bia mu eno ne fe no kren to kran obia enya so mfaso from sector to sector obia enya so mfaso but aban we buy no opeso o kire Ghana for say Ghana for ye mfonso ane ye koto aba edema NDC aban say omra na the good people of Ghana koto aba the man onsan bedu o mabro abusua Ebrewe ane bra e woso nya ni da ho na hu se enya aban bia e na dwene o man no ho ye wa aban ya odwene o man ho ye wa aban ya ono odwene ne political party ho enti se obehwe a video se ekoso aban we ba ye nyema ya tete wo yaso mu nyina eye nkrofo o mu firi se o mu party abo mo nte ase se party na ba no mu nya adwuma o mo nte ase se party na ba na even wafa obi onu nim se wo ye MPP ni doesn't make sense aban na ba on te ase se recruitment na ya fa obi onu ye NPP ni because of say you no na buy na aba enti NDC onye oman oye political party enti na media na so bete I me bu NDC ba mi nyawe me bu we NDC ba mi nyawe me na me ye we wa ha we ba mi nyawe ehu bebre o media na so ensentwerefo metro men individuals just nipa hu do bebre ni nyina ye settings omo be ye sa o media no so nyina no ye tia omo ka Yetia omoka enti aye nipa bi de se tambia na wo so ono so de ne bre a ono so bre party no ho ebeto bedwam na kwa se ogu aban na nimu asne afa back door ye se ho ahwani atoka ama wei ho ahwani atoka ama wei efo saa na abusia we ni ade a omo ye political party omo nye oman enti so hwe the free 92 a ye je democracy 2 mu na so hwe amamu a akoso wo Ghana ha nyina ebekira wo se MPP na ye oman NDC ye political party enti panyini bia na akora bi onya kakra bi ede hye na funuma obeka den NDC ana ekọ all because of say ono ni individual ade a obenya de free mu ti na mo onya obi ote kurase enye obi ote kuroketua bi mu etwan akese edan akese ye nyina Africa amenkroma pens wono wo hu bi woni kromu da enti abato woto no efa so ben ana sa nipa do onya free so senye systems and policies a MPP dia ba eboa saafo we nu mu a ede emfa so no munya free abato so nenso enam tribalism or tiny and any people who think say they have a shareholder in a certain political party nti ye obeka asema mana ye oyama na ye say party bi omude omu ye nyame na omumom na eba abeje oman kwa not knowing say ono na o ka no wo ye aban a oba abeboa certain individuals ama omumom adi ye na nyewo abusia safe no wahu me video I like it ne follow page no ma me na share me
no. Last year 2025 no education minister how na idrisu ebeka nsem bi anu o kire mu say the government will employ 50,000 teachers and 10,000 non-teaching staff. Next, employment for mo abe teaching field on no. 60,000. Emma enra me bro video call ni na ya tro because oka say as of 31st December no more say adwuma but 31st December nduru ye no ye won hwe. Na we say na nke nim so okay ne 2026 we no there will be employment but we see according to the deputy education minister no there is not going to be. According to the Deputy Education Minister, no, 2026, this government is not going to employ anybody at the teaching field.
I believe you agree with me that the financial clearance cannot be gotten here. It has to be gotten from the Ministry of Finance. That's why I'm telling you, I'm taking it to cabinet, which will be chaired by the president, where the financial clearance will be discussed. The finance minister will be there, I will be there. Mankolis, the Western Housing Minister, will be there. So it is not like you can get the financial clearance before end of December. I don't have to lie to you. Please and please, let's respect the structures and respect each other's effort. I appreciate the way you appreciate government effort, but give us few days. 23rd will be going to cabinet, and that will be next week Tuesday. So the president himself will hear your voice, and he will read your letter. And if that one works, even though you are not in the 2026 budget, this is what we yes. You are not in the 2026 budget, and I don't have to lie to you.
Yes.
Something still can be done about it, and that is what your petition is going to ignite. So let's exercise patience and work with that. A government that recognizes and appreciates national sanitation.
Such as a very recruitment hand 2026 teachers for most every school to feed most every soon 1 year. A narrow, but a benday, a yabanesa. When she comes up, Musu, Gerard, your mammy, comment session. I Penyah Media. Accra.